Hello guys, this is Archana from AS Webworks LLP, and this video is all about AI chatbots. So I will give a brief information about the AI chatbots, how it works, functionality, applications and all. And so without wasting time, let's get started. So welcome to our new video session, that is AI chatbots. So in this video we will cover what is chatbots or history of chatbots, which was the first chatbot which was created, and how did they work, how do they work, and their application, challenges and future trends. So what are AI chatbots? So in day-to-day life you might have interacted with an AI chatbot, right? So many of them might have interacted with a chatbot. Many of them might not be knowing it is a chatbot they are interacting with. You feel like it's like human like conversation, so you feel that another person is sitting on the other side and talking to you, right? So especially that is the point of an AI chatbot. That means it will provide you like human like conversations. It will answer your queries, it will provide you guidance, it will tutor you. Some chatbots are also able to tutor you, and they are ready to give any kind of informations, right? And it will remind you your timing, or it will book uh, like a table for a restaurant, like that. Okay, so some of them will be knowing that it is a chatbot, and some will be thinking that it's kind of real human beings which is talking to you, right? So if you have interacted with any of the chatbots, you might have interacted with customer support chatbots. It will give response in a very unique way. You might have noticed that. suppose i Suppose I have given anything like hi. The first line I have given, it will respond, hi, how can I help you? Other The second time I will give like hello or hola, like that. So it will give another response. So every time it doesn't stick on to one kind of response, it will give you unique responses. That makes it makes you think that it is like human, right? So what does chatbots means? Like AI chatbots are AI powered programs which are designed to simulate human like conversation. So they are basically AI powered programs only, okay, which is designed to simulate human like conversation. So you might have interacted with a customer service bot, or you might have interacted with any of the like ChatGPT. Even ChatGPT is a kind of chatbot, and Siri is also a kind of chatbot. So these are all the examples of chatbots. Okay, so how do they work? Like how do they give you like intellectual answers and all? Whatever you ask, it's like a kind of super intelligent person sitting on the other side and giving you answers. So for every questions you ask, so how do they work? So they are using like advanced algorithms and natural language processing techniques. So natural language processing techniques means like human like conversations it can provide. Like we human beings, when we are talking to another people, the other people can understand. If he or she doesn't understand, he will ask me, I didn't get you, or something like that. The same way, the machines can interpret or process the natural language we are talking to them, or whatever text input or voice input we are giving, they can also process the language and give us proper response. That is natural language processing. That means human like languages. Not only one languages, it can identify or recognize different languages. That means multilingual. Okay, so that is what I have mentioned, that it uses advanced level of algorithms and natural language processing techniques to understand and respond to user inputs in a way that simulates human like conversation. So that is an AI chatbot. Okay, now we will see the history of the chatbots. So first chatbot, you can say that its name is Eliza, and it was developed by Joseph Weissenbaum. You can pronounce it anyway. So I'm pronouncing it like Weissenbaum. You can pronounce it like anyway. And that was the first chatbot. And after that, Alice was an advanced level of chatbot when compared to Eliza came on 1995. And from 2010 onwards, some of the very good assistants like Siri, Alexa, Google Assistants, and all came, and it revolutionized chatbot technologies. So you know that we are day to day life, we are using that Siri, Alexa, and all in order to play music, in order to switch on TV, or in order to switch off the lights, everything, right? So, and for reminders also we are using this Siri and Alexa nowadays. That's it's very useful for the old people who cannot type also. Like some people are like have to eyesight problem is the, they can directly speak to Siri or Alexa, and they will provide you reminders, and like they will do bookings like that. Okay, and from 2020, AI driven chatbots like ChatGPT capable of human like responses came. Like ChatGPT and all can give like human responses. You might have interacted with ChatGPT and all. So why AI driven chatbots means it will give unique responses, and it will maintain the human like conversation. So it will be very interactive and interesting for the other person to chat with the ChatGPT. That's why we are creating that AI driven chatbots. Okay, and so we will see the types of chatbots. First one is like rule based chatbots are there, and it follow a predefined scripts, or you can say that it is like pre-programmed. And other is AI powered chatbots. What we are nowadays we are interacting with like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and all are AI powered chatbots. So what is this rule based chatbots? So what is this rule based chatbot? That means it follow predefined script, and it will be having a pre-programmed flow. So it is pre-programmed, and you can select the input or whatever input you have to provide. It can be selected from the some particular options. So you might have encountered with some of the chatbots like this, uh, like, hi, this is your personal assistant, how can I help you, are you looking for this options will pop up, like are you looking for customer service, IT help desk, like options, it will pop up like so many options. So you can choose the options whatever you want. Okay, so you are not directly inputting anything, or you are not asking, or the user is not inputting, you are just following that. Then if you have placed like help desk, then it will go to the help desk and ask some of the, in help desk what we are looking for, like that. So that kind of chatbots are called rule based chatbots. Okay, it follow predefined script. And AI powered chatbots means like more advanced level, you can give any input, user input can be given, uh, and the bot allows and bot will respond in a very good manner, like each response will be in different way, like the same questions can be asked in different ways, and it will answer in different ways also, in what way you are asking questions. Okay, so that are AI powered chatbots. So what are the specialities of AI chatbots? So it has like natural language processing capabilities are there, can understand whatever input you are giving as input, or whatever you are asking, whatever query or assistance you want, it can understand that. Okay, and it can learn from collected data knowledge base, it will be having a knowledge base, according to the knowledge base it will answer appropriately. and it will improve based on machine learning. So each after each conversation it will update the database and it will improve based on this machine learning. Okay, then it will also understand the intent of the query. Whatever query you are asking, it will understand. So that are the advantages of the AI powered chatbots. Okay, so and I have given the examples like Siri, Alexa, ChatGPT. Nowadays all chatbots are like AI powered chatbots, and some of the customer support bots also will answer the queries according to your needs. Okay, and how does this chatbots work? They are providing so much information, they are solving our issues, everything. So we have to know how does they work. So first let's see the core components of these chatbots. So it uses like natural language processing, machine learning, APIs and integrations. Okay, what is natural language processing? I have mentioned in the previous slide, like it can understand and interpret human like languages. It can very well understand the human languages. If it is a voice input also, or it is a text input also. If it is a voice input, it will convert it into text input and it will understand it. Okay, and machine learning is another branch of AI. You can say that it's coming inside artificial intelligence field, and it improves using this machine learning algorithm or model. It improves responses over time by learning from interactions. So it will also interact with the human beings and it will update the responses. It will learn from new things. Okay, for that purpose we are using machine learning algorithms. Okay, and APIs and integrations. So you need informations like it can connect chatbots to other systems like CRMs or databases. So it can connect to databases or APIs like that. Integrations are also other core components of chatbots. So suppose you want an external information like weather and all, you have to interact with the API. Okay, so that is also how they get information or how they work. So these are the main components we are using um for chatbots. Okay, so and flow is like this: input from a user, it will analyze the user request, and it will identify the intent and entities and composes a reply. So whatever input we have given, it will analyze the user input and it identify intent and entity and compose the reply. So let's see by step, like in detail I will talk about like intent and entities in the coming slide. So flow is like this: first, input understanding. So what is input understanding means? Like user input will be given. Okay, a user types or speaks a message. You can also give voice input, right? So that is what a user input is. And language processing. So whatever input has given, the chatbot processes that input to natural language processing. Okay, so using NLP it will process the input. Okay, so that is NLP. So that is the first point. And backend processing. In backend, what it comes: intent matching and data retrieval. So in backend portion it will come like intent matching and data retrieval. So I will talk about like intent matching. So we will go to a or something like that. Okay, let's start a new conversation. So for example, like you might be thinking like, what is like uh, intent and entities, right? So intent is the like I will suppose I will give a user input. Okay, so user input is like, what's the weather like today? Okay, so I will give that. Today. Okay, it will generate a response. Okay, it has given like 4:28 p.m. on Thursday, January 16th on Bangalore. So it has given the Bangalore weather uh, correctly. So today, Friday, Saturday, and all it has given Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So what is, how does it gives that much information? So here what I am doing is that I am interacting with ChatGPT. So here you can see that first it will recognize whether it is English or Spanish or something like that. That is what language processing means. Okay, and identify the intent. So here what is the intent? I am asking for the weather. So I am asking for the weather, that is the intent. Okay, and it will extract the entities. Entities means like example, weather is the, weather is one entity, and today is, and they want weather today. Okay, so that is entities. Okay, so it identifies weather as the topic and today is the time. Okay, it identifies like that. Okay, that is what intent and entities means. And backend processing, I was, so that is intent. So in backend process, what it will happen is that this chatbot compares the user's intent with predefined intents or context it has been trained on. So these chatbots are already trained on lot of data. Okay, so it will compare this whatever user has inputted the intent, and this intent will be compared with predefined intents. So already it has some predefined intents, and context will be there, and it will compare with that. So for example, input matches the get weather intent in the data. So it has a knowledge base or database will be, you can say. So it get weather intent, it will matches with the get other. Suppose there is a matches there in the database. Okay, then it will retrieve the data. Okay, data retrieval will be there and generate a response. Okay, so what is generating a response means? That it can generate a response according to the rule based response. It is like there will be a perfect syntax will be there or scripted template will be there. Accordingly it will give you the sorry, accordingly it will generate the response. So it will give like today's weather is sunny with a high this much degree Celsius. If it is an AI or AI powered response, it will be like this. I have already shown you. AI powered response is like this. It will be in more detail. Okay. So that is generating response, and after that it will deliver the output. So response format is that the chatbot sends the response in text or voice or both. So whatever response format is, it will stick on to that. If it is in a text form, it will give you in text form, or if it is in a voice form, it will give you in voice form. Okay, that response will be given. And the fifth point is learning and improving. So user feedback, it will be taken. The user provides feedback, or if it is like he has given, oh, I don't think that your information is correct, like that. If it has given user feedback has given, then it will improve with responses. Okay, chatbot will learn from this. Your information is wrong, then it will, chatbot will learn from it. Okay, And what it will do is that machine learning updates. So after each conversation it will update the machine learning. The AI chatbot continuously improve by analyzing interactions with the users. So after each responses or after each interactions it will learn from that. Okay, and enhance the intent recognition. So it will, after each interaction it will enhance the intent recognition, and it will improve from each or each conversation, and it will also update the uh, fine tunes the accuracy and relevance. Okay, so that is the steps, or how does the chatbot works. Now we will see popular generative AI chatbots. You might be knowing the popular one, that is ChatGPT and Google Gemini. You might already interacted with these chatbots. And what are the benefits of AI chatbots? So these benefits of AI chatbots are all time available. You can use it at any time. Okay, if you don't know anything you can right away you can ask a chatbot, or you can go for a help. Okay, and scalability, and you can extract lot of information from a AI chatbot. It's not, there is a limit is there, you can extract so much information. It can provide you any information. That scalability is there. And it can also give like personalized services and suggestions. You can also ask for suggestions to a chatbot. It can also give personalized services for our personal health issues or something like that. It will give suggestions and all. Try that. It will provide natural conversation. If you are bored you can chat with the chatbot. It will give you a company, right? It will provide you natural conversation and multilingual communication. So it can very well communicate in any of the languages, and it is multilingual. Okay, so these are the benefits of AI chatbots. And what are the applications of AI chatbots? So basically all these AI chatbots are like available, or applications you can say this customer service. It's the best thing, right? For customer service we are using. So if in Amazon and all you might have used it, if your package is uh, delayed or getting late, you can go to the customer service and you can chat with them, and why you can ask why it is like delaying. I want to cancel the order, I want refund, like that. Okay, for customer service it's used. And for e-commerce site, especially I have told like Flipkart, Amazon, like that. So for that also we are using AI chatbots. And healthcare sector, for healthcare for fixing an appointment for a patient, you can use AI chatbot, and less human effort will be there. Okay, and they can book an appointment, or book an appointment with a doctor, like that. Book an appointment for scanning, like that they can do. And education section also, like some tutors are now are the like AI tutoring chatbots are the, they can help you with your English grammar, like that. They make you to improve your language. So they are well enough and well learned about languages, and very well trained. Okay, that are the few applications. And now we'll see like future trends in AI chatbots. So most of the trends are already existing, but still uh, we can see that like more human like interactions. So some are like they can book like uh, hotel reservations, or book for a dinner or lunch. Some chatbot actually can book for a dinner, or uh, like book for a table in a restaurant. Actually they can do that. Okay, so more human like interactions, they can do anything. So the hotel people couldn't even recognize it's a bot also. Okay, and sentiment analysis, they can also like in future they can also analyze your sentiments. Even in through text also they can analyze the sentiments, like if you are typing the text with frustration, or if you are sad, or if you are like really down, they will come to know. Sentiment analysis and automated HR and IT support task also can be done using AI chatbots. Now, for resume selection and all IT support task, we can use AI chatbots. And automated refunds. The automated refunds also can be done using AI chatbots. So these are the future trends in AI chatbots. Let me show you like one chatbot. It will take little time. So this is our website, and let it load completely. So you can see that there is a chatbot here. Okay, so this is a simple chatbot, or you can say it's not a simple chatbot. You can say it can give you answers to the queries whatever you want from our company's site, web as webworks. So here it has already typed like, hello, welcome to AS Webworks LLP, please briefly describe your issues so we can help you better. So that is the, so let me interact with that. I will give like, I will just give like contact information. So it has given me the contact information where the company, here's the contact, head office is here, and email, phone number, branch office is also, and working hours and WhatsApp number also given. I hope that helped you. Okay, do you have any more queries? If you want if you have any queries, you can say yes, or you can say no. So I'm going to yes, I'm going to give like yes. What would you like to know from AS Webworks? Earnings. Sorry. So I want to know like trainings in AS Webworks. It has immediately given me the all the information about the trainings. So as much information it has given, like web development training is the, artificial intelligence training is the, digital marketing training is the. So if you want to know more about that, you can click this link. More details can be found at, so you can click this link. Okay, so this is a bot I have created. Okay, do you have any queries? So now I am going to give you no. Thank you for using our AI assistant. Have a nice day. Okay, so this is a bot in our company website. You can also interact with that. If you want to know the how to create like this kind of AI chatbot, you can join our training program, artificial intelligence based online training program, and I'm sure that after this training program you will be able to create any bot like this. Apart from that, you will also get knowledge of artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing and all. So if you want practical insights of this bot, you can join our team, and we are providing like training for like 6 weeks training is also there, and 4-month training is also there. And if you want to join like 6 weeks, if you are like prior coding knowledge is there, or you have some knowledge of Python, then you can opt for a 6 weeks program. Or else you don't know anything about AI, or you are not from an IT background, you can go for a 4-month training program. You can see our services or trainings Here you will get the artificial intelligence site, or you can so, and we will provide you the best training. You can also come and join. So that's all for today's. I hope this video was very informative for you.